Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add Binance Wallet to exchange transfer. So if you'd like to transfer from your Binance Wallet to your exchange, all you need to do is open your Binance app, go over to Wallet at the top, and now we've switched over to the Binance Wallet. Now what you need to do is to go to the bottom right corner, tap on Assets, then you'll need to select the currency you'd like to make a transfer with. So say we want to transfer BNB, we've selected BNB, and then we're going to tap and send. Now once you tap and send, you have two options. You can transfer to your Binance exchange, which is what we want, or of course you could send to wallet address. We're going to be choosing transfer to Binance exchange, which is why we're here. And then you can see it's already populated the right details. It's saying from, which is from this current wallet, to your Binance exchange. It already identifies your Binance BNB wallet address, and rightly so. You can see at the bottom the alphanumeric address for your BNB in your Binance exchange. And of course the tokens, then you're going to put in the amount you'd like to transfer, and once you do that, you can tap on continue and complete the transaction. When this is done, you can go over to your exchange and find the currency that you transferred from your Binance wallet to the exchange.